Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys why it's never a good idea to give me an Amazon gift card. Let's just get into this video. So I was gifted an Amazon gift card, and at the beginning and the end of the day after I received it, I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? Because I don't need anything. But when you present me with an Amazon gift card, I've got to use it right. So I got a couple things from Amazon. I've already opened them out of the package, but I haven't opened them. So I'm going to share with you all the items I got. So the first thing I got was some nail swatches. And they come in a pack of 50. The sad thing is, this is my third pack. What I do with the nail swatches, of course, I make my color swatches of all the gel polishes as well as dip powders and poly gels that I have. So I have accumulated over 800 different colors. Judge me, judge me. Of course, I need another one because I have more colors that need to be swatched. And so we need swatches. Another item I purchased off of Amazon is another poly gel. So this is the Morovin polymer gel, and this color is not a color that I have. It's a glitter poly gel. I haven't used it, I haven't even opened it, it's still sealed. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch and I'll let you guys know what it looks like. Typically, I put my own dip powder in my poly gels and I make it myself, but they have poly gels so you can do it without having to mix and blend. Because the thing for me is when I use poly gel and dip powders, like glitter dip powders, it's like the ratio. It's like you gotta know how much to put with what and how many nails it needs to go on. So I'm just like, let's skip the science of it because I'm not Bill Nye, and let's just get, you know, one that has one in there. So I'm gonna see what this is like because I've never tried this brand. I didn't know this brand existed, so I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it or not. Another item I purchased is this lamp. It is a UV lamp, and it's gonna help me complete my next nail set that I do. I'm going to do the lazy girl method. This is going to help me to flash cure. I could have gotten like a handheld light to flash cure, but this clamps to the desk. So when it's on, all I have to do is just take my hands and just put it underneath it. So I'm kind of excited to use this one because I can flash cure with both of my hands instead of with just one hand, because I have, of course, my UV LED lamp and I can put both of my hands under it, but sometimes, like when I'm doing my thumb, I have to reposition my entire body because that's what your thumbs make you do. So I think it's just a UV lamp. I think that's what the name of it is. So I'm excited to let you guys see me use this. Be ready. And the last thing I purchased were some nail covers because I just said I'm going to be doing the lazy girl method, and with that you need nail covers, and I haven't even opened these to see what they look like. So let's open this package. These are some tips for covers that I've not ever really heard of before. Saviland, Save Island. This right here, okay? So these are the full cover nails. I'm just gonna open these. And so that's what they look like. All of these. The nails themselves. So this is what these are looking like. And the thing about these, once you put them on, you don't have to pop them off. You don't have to file them. No shaping. It is what it is. Unless I want to cut them to make them shorter, we'll see what will happen. But I do like them from looking at them. Now, when I start working on them, I don't know. those were all the products I bought off of Amazon. Now, if you are someone that's wanting to get into dip powders, gel polish, polygel, the website I recommend you go to is igelbeauty.com. Okay, they're always having sales, and right now they're having a 60% off sale. So if you want to like build up some, get you a little collection going, go there right now. Okay, you're welcome. I did purchase more polygels from them. I do like theirs. I haven't had an issue, and of course the only polygels that I've used as of today are Gershon and the iGel Beauty. But I got a clear, a nude, and a warm nude. So I'm just kind of skeptical what this warm nude is gonna look like, because it's giving me like more of an orange undertone instead of a nude undertone. But I'm gonna try these as well. So anyway, that's all I had to share, and I'm excited to jump into these products. As soon as these come off, you guys will get the video of the Lazy Girl method and the polygel that I just purchased. Not the iGel Beauty one, but the Morovin. Promise, okay? Promise. I got you. Alright? Anyway, guys, until I make another video, I'll see you guys then. And don't forget to listen to Niece Ava. Bye.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.